Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to the word study lesson, day number 3. So today we're learning a little bit more about doubling and the spelling patterns. So we learned that the base words in our CVVC and CVCC categories, we don't double these words when we add the suffix. And for base words that end in the CVC, we double that final consonant. So let's practice that. Let's think of some new base words, and then after you think of those base words, add the suffix ed and ing. Okay, but you always have to remember when you want to add these suffixes, you need to be working with verbs. Okay, and a verb, just a refresher, a verb is an action word. Okay, so I would suggest to pause this video and write down 2 verbs, 2 action words. Okay, so action verbs are lean, sit, hit, crawl, any type of activity that you're doing. So the 2 verbs that I wrote down are learn and write. Okay, so what am I going to do with these 2 words? Well, first, I need to decide what type of syllable type do I have in these words. Okay, so is it the spelling pattern CVC, is it CVCC, or CVVC? Okay, let's look at the spelling pattern. So first I look at my vowels. I mark the vowel in the word learn. Oh, I have another vowel, and E is a vowel also. So I know that L is a consonant, so that will be C. E is a vowel, A is a vowel, and R is a consonant. So this word falls into CVVC category. Okay, so if I want to add, I'm going to make myself a little chart to keep it straight. And here in this one, in this column, I'm going to be adding ed, suffix ed, and I add the suffix when I put my verb in a past tense. And here I'm going to add the suffix ing. That's the suffix I add when I want my word to be in the present tense. So learn, since the word learn is CVVC, I do not have to double any consonants before I add these suffixes. So it's going to be learn in here. That would help if I learned, and learning. Okay, now let's look at the next word, write. Okay, I'm going to put the word write. Now, let's see, I'm going to put it in here, write. What type of syllable or spelling pattern that is? I is he, E is here, so it will be C, V, C. Actually, this one is a different pattern, is C, V, C, E, and we have not talked about this spelling pattern. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to skip that part, okay? Because I cannot say write in the past tense adding ed. Can I do that? Write, righted. Can I do that? No, I know that the word write in the past tense will be wrote. So that's irregular verb, right? I could do writing. I could add ing to this, but I cannot add the suffix ed to the word write. Okay, so you know what, since this was like an odd category, let me pick one more word. Log. Like to log on computer, right? We need to log on computer every day. Let's see what spelling pattern the word log is. O is a vowel, so it's going to be CVC. Okay, we said that if it's a CVC spelling pattern, we have to double the final consonant. So let's look. I'm going to write the word log in here. And because it's CVC, I need to double that final consonant. So I have 2 letter G's, log, ed, logged, I logged on computer yesterday. Or I am logging right now, Mrs. Cattell. I'm logging in right now. L-O-G, double the final consonant, and add the suffix ing. Okay, it's looking good. Thank you.